Alright, now I've changed this a little bit. I have a couple of LEDs. What does LED stand for? It stands for light emitting diodes. So if I take my current and I put it one way, notice the green one lights up. Notice if I put it the other way, the yellow one lights up, right? So this proves that it's going from, this is where it's going from red to black, so the yellow one comes up. If it's going this direction, then the green one lights up. Well, let me go over here and hook these up. Alright, so let me go ahead and throw the switch to the capacitor. I'll put this underneath so you can see the capacitor, not that anything's going to happen. But I'm going to throw this switch which charges the capacitor, and notice one of the lights comes on. Okay, now this actually will stay on for a very, very, very long time, and we really don't have time to wait for that. I mean, we could, it would just take a very long time. So I'm going to take the black one, and I'm going to move it over here, and we'll charge the capacitor. I'm bypassing the resistor, because the light bulb is a resistor, and that's charging the capacitor all the way up right now. I'm going to hold it on there for a little bit, disconnect it. You'll notice the light is not on now. Why? Because the capacitor is full. And if the capacitor is full, it can't hold anymore. So I'm going to disconnect that. Watch what happens now as I discharge the capacitor. Notice the current is flowing the other direction because the green one came on. Now again, this will last quite a while because with, if you want to think about a resistor restricting the flow, it's less current is going through here than with one of the larger light bulbs, and it just takes a long time for it to give up all of its charge. But if I discharge it, now it's gone. Alright, so once again, we'll do the exact same thing. Charging, the yellow comes on, and that will stay on for a very long time. And if I just came back after a while, it would be done, but I'm going to bypass it, charge up the capacitor. Couple seconds, turn off that part of the circuit, and discharge it from the capacitor. There you go. Proves that current went one way and then the other way.